Radical color changes are often made in Lab. To do this, we need to convert an image to this color model, which is radically different from RGB. We therefore need to learn how to exploit its characteristics. Lab is an extremely powerful tool in the hands of a retoucher, but using it requires a fairly complex learning curve. Lab essentially has two advantages: better color rendering than RGB when making very heavy adjustments, and simplification of color-based selections. Although it is often possible to make implicit selections, that is, without using tools or layer masks, in the case of a creative adjustment such as the one we saw earlier, we need to tell Photoshop that we only want to adjust the dress, and this requires in-depth knowledge of Lab channels. The dress and the skin tone fall into similar color areas that differ more in saturation than in hue, and completing the operation is not entirely trivial. However, it is possible, and the result is very good. Here we will not show the entire procedure, but will limit ourselves to showing the final image obtained without selecting the dress manually or using automatic functions.